No.
Hello friends, in this video we will see what is Python and how to install it on Windows operating system. So Python is a dynamic interpreted bytecode compiled language. There are no type declarations for variables, parameters, functions or methods in source code. This makes the code short and flexible, and you lose the compile time type checking of the source code. Now we move to the installation of Python. First, we need to download Python distribution from the website www.python.org/downloads. You can see here, download the latest version for Windows. Python 3.8.1 is the latest version as the name suggests. We click on the download Python 3.8.1. You can see a file is downloading. You can see our file is downloaded. So we just double click the software to run the installation process. You can see install Python 3.8.1 for 32-bit. Click on add Python 3.8 to path. This will help us by directly adding Python path into the environment variable. Now click install now. Once the installation is complete, click on close. To check if the Python is installed or not, open the command prompt and type python space minus minus version. It will show you the Python version we just installed. Thank you.
No.